This workflow captures incoming HTTP post requests, this workflow captures incoming HTTP post requests, parses their JSON data and logs the information directly into a Google Sheet. It's perfect for storing data from forms, APIs or webhooks, creating a real-time log of incoming submission with timestamp. The workflow consists of a webhook, function node and a sheets node. This is a sheet where the data will be saved. It consists of a timestamp, name, email and message column. Let's execute the workflow. Send the JSON data through Postman. And we had send the name Sara Qureshi, email sara.q@example and a message testing a webhook response for lead capture form. And the data has sent successfully. The workflow executed. The workflow begins with an HTTP webhook that listens for post requests at a custom endpoint log data. Whenever data is sent to this endpoint, the workflow is triggered automatically. The incoming JSON payload is expected and clean in function node. A timestamp is added in local format, date, month, year, hour, and minute for easy tracking, and key fields such as name, email, message are prepared for logging. The formatted data is written into your Google Sheets. Each new post request adds a fresh entry with its timestamp, ensuring your data log remains complete and up to date. Let's test it for some other data. Now the name is Ali Raza and a message is requesting a demo of requesting a demo of the analytics dashboard. Requesting a demo of the analytics dashboard. And a new entry is updated into your sheets. This workflow acts as a real-time collector, capturing posts, requests, and storing them neatly in Google Sheets for tracking, analysis, or reporting. It's a simple yet powerful automation for integrating web data into your business records. No coding required. Thanks for watching.